But I ain't got no friends on my knees, blood to me. Spilling in your ear, yeah, that's blood money. Hey, niggas fucking up my vibe. Yeah. I'm getting money, yeah, I'm fine. If I call you bro, you better ride out. Just tell me what's the word and we gon' slide on, guys. Me and bros keep poppin' dirties, no sleep. Don't approach me if you ain't got no love for me. I ain't got no friends, all my niggas like blood to me. Treat my whole gang just like blood brothers. If I call you my brother, then we gon' ride. I love you forever, nigga, my guy for life. You know it's whatever, if you fight, I fight. Tell me what's the word and we gon' slide on, guys. Me and bros keep sippin' on codeine. Don't approach me if you ain't got no love for me. I ain't got no friends, all my niggas like blood to me. I'm DTB forever, bitches know me.
700,000 a phantom on a random. Buy the bitch a Birkin every time she throw a tantrum. My accountant on speed dial, I told her make the transfer. AI questions on, cause I walk with all the answers. I pull up $1 million car, blue, blue, blue. I know some bloods that slime, woo, woo, woo. Blueberry seats, perfect time, woo, woo, woo. The projects always showing love for me, hey. Whenever I'm in New York, me and Boogie like cousins. Gotta fire up a jet and take a trip out to London. My diamonds always hitting me in the Leante, always up to something.
Diamonds or baguettes, girl, just tell me if I'm heavy.
I came from the bottom, I came straight out of poverty.
I had to look around and see who's with me and not with me.
Tryna go and stake these billions on a long road.
If I tell you I love you, that ain't a lie. Until I make a couple million, I can't go home.
They won the championship, so I bought the two-tone. Bentley Coliseum riding with the roof
Kill
gone.
my vibe. I'm getting money, yeah, I'm fine. If I call you bro, you better ride out. Just tell me what's the word and we gon' slide, slide, slide. Just me and my bros keep sipping on this codeine. Don't approach me if you ain't got no love for me. I ain't got no friends, all my niggas like blood to me. Treat my whole gang just like blood brothers. If I call you my brother, then we gon' ride. I love you forever, nigga, my guy for life. You know it's whatever, if you fight, I fight. Tell me what's the word and we gon' slide on, guys. Just me and my bros keep popping 30s, no sleep. Don't approach me if you ain't got no love for me. I ain't got no friends, all my niggas like blood to me. Whole damn gang treat them like blood brothers. Shot after shot. I can get you Fendi, Prada, Christian, Gucci. Baby, spend some time, I spin his chains like loose leaf. Hot like grabber, come here, mama. Baby, spin around, let me see how you move loosely. Hop inside the Lambo, it's just us in a two-seat. Everything I got on from the shoes that had this beastie. Plenty, Henny, I'm feeling woozy. I took too many, tonight is a movie. Look. Take shots, take shots, take shots, shot after shot. What drink you drink? Cause I'm tryna ease your mind. Sip slow, don't drink fast. I'm tryna make this last. Oh, oh. I can tell you got tension, tension, tension. Yeah. I need transparency. Tell me what's on your mind. Take shots like back shots, mad shots, shot after shot.
Hey, I can get you drunk, sloppy, top me, get a head low like lobby, beat it up, Rocky, chain swinging, name ringing, shit changed, don't entertain the same women.
Woozy, why like your vibe? Let's stop by the jacuzzi. And I like your frame and La Perla, Gucci, French bitch from Montana. Told her I'ma murder dance in that coochie.
Look, fuck all that singing shit, let's keep it raw and rugged. I wanna see you take shots to your bodies, all in my covers, and your friends threesomeing and talking orgies, discussion. And we at the table speaking who freaky and doing what when we back at the spot. Magnums come out the box and never go back in the box. She takes shots like back shots, she's back in the shots. My dick hop out the zipper, something like Jack in the Box. You know I made a term, shot a clock, stop acting so shy. Come on.
Take shots, take shots, take shots, shot after shot. What drink you drink? Cause I'm trying to ease your mind. Sip slow, don't drink fast. I'm trying to make this last. Oh, oh. I can tell you got tension. Yeah. I need transparency. Tell me what's on your mind. Take shots like back shots, mad shots, shot after shot. Baby, we can do a trio. Me, you, and your amigos, sipping Casamigos. Yeah. I wanna see you deep throw, girl, that ass is lethal. Bust it, then I reload. Yeah. I'm tryna see how bad you can get when you draw. Even though you're dangerous, I love the way you are. Seems like you're anxious, don't gotta hide your scars. And perfectly perfect, not a single flaw. Nah, my back different, kind of Mexican. From New York, she like my accent. I make her act different. She on Richard Billy status. Skip the paddock, cut from it.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. And thank you to anybody pulled up. And I really appreciate it. But we are here. Traded NAS100. And let's get into it. Start with the Forex Factory. Today we have ISM Services, PMI, at 10 a.m. We talked about this yesterday. It's an indicator of economic health. Businesses react quickly, so we should get a lot of volume at 10 o'clock. That'll be good. Let's do some market analysis. We're going to keep our support resistances that we had. This is still good. Let's just go into this quickly because we already had NYSE. It happened 2 minutes ago. So far, check the daily. We are bearish. Yesterday we were bearish, but we are at the lows currently. With news, we could get enough volume to push us down, but news could also push us up. So really, who knows? We're going to wait till 10 a.m. till we get a sense of direction, and then we will start looking for trades. You look to the left, we just open, and we are bearish with NYSE open. But we are at a 30-minute 200 SMA, so we could end up bouncing off this and turning bullish. But we will have to wait and see. Currently, I don't have a bias. The only reason why I don't have a bias because news is at 10. We are currently coming down, but we're going to need some closures below before we look for sells. Let's get a closure here. And if we look for buys, we're going to look for a closure above this area. Okay. Let's move this down a little bit. And this here will be our no trade zone, similar to yesterday. All right. So we'll need the closures. We'll need closures. So we still got about 27 more minutes, excuse me. So we're just going to be patient. Just be patient, wait, and the market will give us what it wants. You look at the 15-minute, we broke the 200 SMA, came down a bit, came back up, tapped it. So this could mean that we're going to drive down, but again, we're not going to know until news drops at 10. So we'll wait for a closure. Hopefully, what we'll look at is this 4-hour candle will come down and close below. And then the next 4 hour give us a top wick and we'll continue driving down. That would be amazing. But we will wait. We're going to be patient. We're going to let market and price action give us its direction before we start looking for a position. There's no rush. There's no rush. I know there's volume. It looks like you could get in, but look at this 15-minute. It's doji. We came down very fast, came back up. All this within 5 minutes. So we are going to be patient. Push P today. Push P. All right. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back. right. We back. What's up? We're about to get a new 15-minute candle. Let's see how this 15-minute plays out. I want to take a look at some of the other charts, but let's see what happens. Here comes a new 15. Looks like we're dropping pretty hard today, man. So far, we're pretty bearish. But again, like I told you guys earlier, we're going to wait for news. Waiting for news at 10 a.m. All right. Looks like we're breaking the lows like we wanted. If you check the 4-hour, this is exactly what I wanted, right? So we should want a candle to come down like this the next 4-hour, hopefully. This is what we're gonna want. So if we can get this, this would be perfect. So let's wait for the closure. That's all we're gonna wait for next. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna be patient. Still got about 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes, we're going to get news. And hopefully with news, we'll get volume. What should happen is we should continue driving down. I believe so, because these movements might be what the market is projecting is going to happen with news, which is why we're breaking lows. But we're just going to keep that in mind and be patient. Hopefully we just still get the closure in 10 minutes, and we'll get a top wick for the new 4-hour candle. We'll get a top wick. Hopefully news doesn't just drive us down. Now, if it does, then we'll look at 10:15 for the trade. But hopefully at 10 a.m., we can grab some liquidity, create a top wick. If we get a top wick over 50 points, we won't have a sell stop. But if we get a decent top wick, 40, 35, 25 points, I won't mind having sell stops placed. All right. So let's go ahead. Let's set some targets. We can do that. Let's set some targets. You look to the left. Let's say this can be target 1. We can go the bottom of this for target 2. Let's see. How much is this? 25-point difference. That could work. And let's have overall targets down here. It's not going to be big runners today, but if we can get 50, 60-point runners, that would be valid. There are times we've had runners for about 100 points, 120 points, but it's looking like today, this looks valid. This looks valid. Hopefully in the next 8 minutes, we'll get a pullback. We'll get the pullback we need, get the top wick we need for the 4-hour, and we will have sell stops. All right. So far, we have 1 loss for the year. That was 2 days ago. We took our first L. We've been doing very good this whole year. We were undefeated. We went 13-0. Took a loss for 20 points. Let's go ahead. Let me show you guys the stream tracker that I have. I'm gonna have this available for everybody. Maybe at the end of April, I'll make it available. But this is our record. Where is the zoom? There we go. This is our record. Took a 20-point L on Monday, but overall, look how we've been doing. We got over 200 points for the year, maybe 300, but we've been doing pretty good. To have a loss, our first loss in April. So, all right, there goes that pullback that we were talking about. Now let's just hope it stays. We still got about 7 minutes. Let's be patient. Be patient. Let's play some good tunes. got about 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. We can hopefully have some positions. Let's see. Two more minutes. Of course, as we always talk about, last 5 minutes, usually, last 15 minutes, last 5 minutes of the hourly candle, it's usually a pullback. It's usually a pullback. It usually gives us wicks, right? And when we get wicks, that means we get range to fill. If you look at this wick here, it's already a 20-point wick. And you know at 10 points, we're already taking out partials and moving stop loss to BE. So worst come to worst, even if we don't drive and continue to hit all our targets, we can at least get a wick fill. That'll give us our 10 points. But of course, two things we're waiting for now. We've got a minute left. We need this to close where it's at. We don't need it to pull back much more. Close here. And then the next hourly candle that comes in the next minute, next 4-hour candle, comes up and gives us a top wick. We're going to want a top wick first. If we just drive without a wick, we won't have sell stops. But if we do grab ourselves a wick, at least a 10 to 15 point wick, we're going to have sell stops placed. All right? So let's be patient. Let's wait. But also be ready. Be ready. Let's set these here just in case sell stops place. Take partials. All right. Let's see what happens. First, let's check news. Let's check to see. Here's a new candle coming up right now. It's a good pullback. Let's get the top wick we want. Let's get the top wick. Here we go. That's a good top wick. Let's see news. So news was bad. Okay. We did get a baby top wick, but we didn't break lows. If we have sell stops here, that's 12,983. BE point would be 12,973. Okay. So we are getting that top wick that we wanted. This is great. All right. So we are going to have sell stops placed. All right, guys. So, of course, we're going to have a break of the low sell stop. We have a 40-point top wick, which is very good. All right, so that'll be our stop loss. All right. Let's hope we can reverse. Again, numbers were bad. We were projecting 54.3. Previous was 55.1. So we came down way past that, 51.2. So businesses are going to react quickly. Like it says, right? Businesses react quickly. Market conditions and their purchasing managers hold perhaps the most current and relevant insight into the company's view of the economy. So if numbers are bad, their view of the economy is bad, right? So this could be a good thing for gold, okay? So look out for that. When the market doesn't do well, gold does well. Because worst come to worst, metals usually hold their value. Hold their value. Those words I was looking for. Metals like gold, silver. So you can expect gold to start doing good numbers. Let's take a look at it actually. See? There you go. It's bullish. Gold has been driving up with news that just came out. So we'll see what happens. Let's see how it's affecting Bitcoin. It's not really doing much to Bitcoin so far. Okay. Euro USD got affected. It's bullish. Oil's not doing much. GBP JPY has dropped with that news. Dow is a bit bearish. It was bullish with NYSE, but now the Dow is bearish with the news that came out. Okay. And NAS should be doing the same. And we've already been broken lows, so we should continue driving down. Stop loss place not activated. You'll know I'm in the trade once you see this indicator. For now, we are still not in. We are not in the trade yet. Well, looks like we could get an entry. Whoa, all right. Looks like we're in, guys. Stop loss at the top of the wick. Let's have this here for target 2. All right, now let's get the drive we're looking for. Let's delete this. As soon as we get 10 points, as usual, we move stop loss to BE, and we're almost there. Look at this. Look at this. Going good so far. Almost. About to hit target 1. Almost there. We about to slap it. Can we slap it? We about to pip away. Let me go. Let's go. Very good. Move stop loss to BE. We got ourselves another W. Congratulations. Looks like we're about to hit BE. All right. We hit BE. That was a quick trade, but we definitely got a W. Congratulations. Whoever took that W. Good for you. Get another round of applause. Right. I might look for another position at 10:15. We're breaking lows. 10:15. We'll probably look for another top wick, and then we'll continue driving down and slap all the other targets. El Jefe, my boy. Hi there, Dimitri. Good looking. Haven't seen you in a while. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're blessed. Was the L a lot of pips? I'll show you the L right here. Look, we just hit target 1. I'll show you the L, my boy. I'll show you the L. It wasn't too bad. We had a pretty short stop loss. So it wasn't bad at all. This is our daily stream tracker. I want to have more trades on here before I'm actually like sending it out to all you guys or whoever is watching. It's not really a lot of people, but yeah, I want everybody to see the tracker. Then I want to have like a space where I show the percentages of when we take a 4-hour trade or when we take a 15-minute trade, the percentages of if, when we take a 4-hour, 80% of the time we win, 15-minute, 60% of the time win, so on and so forth. So we're going to try to get that set up. But this was Monday. We took a 20-point loss. Took a 20-point loss. But if you look at all what we've done for the whole year, right? This is all the year trades. We have well over 200 points, maybe 300. I want to do the math, add it all up. But if you've been taking the trades straight on stream with us, you'd be up. You might have took a loss on Monday, but we just took a W today. I managed to grab 12 points from that move. So we're going to add that here. And yeah. We're going to have the stream tracker available for everybody soon. So far, we did take a very good W. Had we not hit BE, we'd have kept driving. This would have been a 33-point move. But I took 12. Be happy with what you got. And, you know, just keep looking for the same move. If that's your move for the day, call it. That's your move. Got a W. Now call it quits for the day. Don't overtrade. If you're still antsy, you still want to trade, you still want to make a little bit more money, we're going to look for one more entry at 10:15 and one more entry at 10:30. We'll see what happens at 10:15 though. 10:15 can give us a top wick. If this 10:15 gives us a top wick, we will have another sell stop placed. All right, so target 1 was already slapped. We got very close to target 2. If you look to the left, there's a lot of range to fill. We still didn't hit this target 2 area. That's where we're going to get a little, I believe we're going to start slowing down. That's why I'm still looking for another trade. I'm not impartial to taking another trade today. But we'll see what happens. Let's hope that this current 15 will close bearish. And if it does, next 15, give us a top wick. And we'll have sell stops at the bottom once it flips. If we don't get a top wick, of course, then we will not take a trade. All right? So that's our rules. Those are our rules. Thing is, I really want us to get runners. I want us to get runners. That was a very quick trade. We got 12 points, and then it came right back up. So hopefully this next entry will give us runners to target 2, which will hopefully give us about 60 points, roughly. So let's see what happens. Got about 5 more minutes. Let's take a look at gold real quick. Gold is still coming down. Created a very steep top wick on the 30-minute. And the 15. Wow, we came up, but just flipped bearish. Bitcoin, wow, Bitcoin with news ended up coming down. It's a bit bearish. Again, with Bitcoin, we're expecting 10, 12,000. I'm going to keep saying this every day till it happens. So look out for that. Everything's coming down. Everything is coming down. Everything is coming down. Okay. Good. This is good for us. A little over 3 minutes. We'll look for another entry. Let's go ahead and let's set these here so I'm not rushing. Let's get rid of this because we already got our closure. I don't want to have too many things on the screen. About 2 more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. 2 minutes, we're going to start looking for some positions. Again, this might be a 2-trade day. I like those days. This is good. This little pullback is good. Pullback means next candle will come get a top wick. We've got about a minute left. Let's get these runners. Let's get some runners. Come on. Look at the 4 hour. I'm expecting this 4 hour to continue driving down. I want the 4 hour to continue driving down. Hopefully it's in this hour that it does it with volume. So that's what we're expecting. That's what we're waiting for. Came back above target 1. Good. That's a good scene. Good news. Let's just get the top wick. All right, be ready, guys. Be ready. Let's get the top wick. Let's delete this. Let's make this target 1. Makes more sense. Do this target 2. And we'll make this overall target for now. We need a top wick, okay? We need the top wick. Without a top wick, no entry. Wait for the top wick. Be patient. Because you could end up putting in a sell now, and then the top wick gets created to grab liquidity. So that's just the way I trade. I mean, everybody's different. People could trade how they want. If you want to put in a sell now, have a stop loss of the previous 15-minute high, that could work. I'd rather wait for this current 15 to create a top wick for me, and then I will have a sell stop. Break of the low to the bottom of the previous wick is about 18 points. So worst come to worst, we should at least get our 10-point smacked. If we get the 10 points, we will move our stop loss to BE. And when stop loss move to BE, at that point, we are in a risk-free trade. And that's usually what we want. We are going to have sell stops. Let's go again. We're going to have another trade today, guys. 12.971, 12.961 will be our BE point. All right. Stop loss is going to be about, let's make it a 20-point stop loss. All right. Looks like we're in. 71. 91. This could get rid of. We are in a second entry, guys. We should continue driving down. Let's hope this trade gives us the runners that we want. And I think it will. About to have a second trade, another W. Let's get it. Let's get that push. Come on. Could this be it? Is this going to be our second W of the day? here we go. Here it comes. Almost there, almost there. Almost. Can we get one more push? All right, come on. Market's messing with us today. But again, we have decent stop losses. We had good market analysis. At this point, we just want runners. That's why we're in another trade. We want runners. Let's get the 10 points, though. Let's get 10 points. That'll safely move us to move our stop loss to BE. Back at BE at this point. All right. Is this the push we're looking for? Is this it? Come on, NAS. All right. All right, almost there. Here's the push. Here's the push we've been waiting for. Come on. Getting really close. We're getting at 8 points. Then we're coming back up. It'll happen, though. Be patient. Be patient. And we are good. There we go. Move stop loss to BE. Congratulations. Again. 2-win day. This is how we do it. This is how we start our days. This is how we make up for a bad loss on Monday. Good fucking shit. Good fucking shit. At this point, you should have runners. That's all we wanted. I wanted to grab runners. And I think we'll have it now. Let's check the 5-minute real quick. We just got a new 5-minute. If this 5-minute doesn't come and hit BE, I'm pretty sure we're going to continue driving, slap our targets, and have another winning trade. We already got the winning trade, but now we're going to have runners. Hopefully. Let's see how this plays out. Are we going to hit BE? Came really close. Very close. We did we grabbed 12 points. I was only able to grab 9. I got out a bit too early. But all good. 2 W's today. First trade, we got 12 points. Second trade, we grabbed 9 points. And in this trade, it looks like the 5-minute wants to flip bearish. We did not hit BE yet. So we should still have runners in. Let's hope this 5-minute could flip bearish and continue driving down. No, wrong. All right, but anywho, another W. I'm not gonna overtrade today. I did want runners, didn't happen. It's unfortunate, but seeing the 5-minute could still flip, so it's all up to you on how you set your stop losses. Me personally, I like grabbing my 10 and getting the fuck up out of here, right? So at this point, I'm really just going to call it a day. Going to keep it pushing. We took 2 good trades. Overall, that is 21 points we grabbed today. That's good. It's a good day. I'm going to update the stream tracker today. I might just put the stream tracker on my Discord so people can have access. You guys can see all the trades we take. And yeah, I'm going to call it a day. I'm done. Took 2 good trades. I hope everybody stays blessed. Hope you guys have a great day. I hope you stay active. Don't have FOMO. Don't over leverage. Don't over trade. If you got your W's, take your W's and keep it pushing. All right. We'll be back again tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, let's take a look at the news for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. Thursday the 6th. Thursday the 6th, we have unemployment claims. That's at 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to stream. I'm not going to stream 8:30 a.m. because on Friday, I'm going to stream at 8:30 a.m. We're going to have NFP. We have unemployment rate, average hourly earnings. Going to be a lot of news on Friday. So Friday, 8:30 will be here early, but tomorrow will be regular schedule, 9:30. But thing is, with NYSE, we should get volume to help give us direction from the news at 8:30. So we should be set for tomorrow. We shouldn't have to trade at 8:30. Because even at 8:30, I don't trade the news. I wait till after the 9 a.m. hits, and by then it's NYSE at 9:30. But Friday, I might put in a trade. Might have sell stops or buy stops or whatever. We'll figure it out. But 8:30 will be here early. Friday will be here early around 8:20ish, so we can get ready for the move. Okay. So for now, y'all have a good day. Tell someone you love them. Stay active. Be blessed again, and peace.
I didn't find nobody like you. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you listening? Rebel, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the darkness? Are you out, Mr. Trouble? Are you there? Are you listening? Trouble, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the darkness now? Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you running to me? Are you coming to me? Folding my arms, Mr. Rebel. Come in my heart, Mr. Rebel. Yeah. Mr. Rebel, are you there? Are you on me? Are you scared? Are you in? Are you out? Who do you love? Who do you call when you're down? Falling, you're falling behind. Finally gone, I'm the one with the winning prize. I'm really gone on the run, I'll be shooting time. I'm the sound on the ground, I'm the winning sound. I'm the crown, I'm the vibe, I'm the leading vibe. You move me to my mind. I've been down, I've been at the other side. You take me out, I know you to be my friend. I've been down now. Flying over the moon, I've been under the sun, and I didn't find nobody like you, no. I didn't find nobody like you, Mr. Rebel. Are you there? Are you listening? Rebel, are you there? Are you still in the darkness? Are you there? Are you playing in the garden? Are you out, Mr. Trouble? Are you there? Are you listening? Trouble, are you there? Are you still in the garden? Are you there? Are you playing in the dark?